Good afternoon. Welcome to this session. We are going to look at some expressions. We are going to substitute. And take note, this one will act as a guide to your tomorrow's tests. Let's start with the first question. Now, question 1, the question says, work out the values of each expression. When W is 5, you're given those values there. Now, the first one is A. We are given 3 into W plus X. Now, we are substituting the values. X is 2 and W is 5. And therefore, this means when I substitute, it will be 3 into 5 plus 2. And this gives you, it is 3 into 7, and this gives you 21. That is the answer. Now let's do B here. B, we are told again, it is X into 2W minus Y. Again, X is 2 into 2 times W is 5 minus Y is negative 8. Take note of this, negative 8. And this means it is 2 into 10 minus negative 8. Now, negative times negative get positive. And this means it is 2 into 18. And this gives you 36. That is the answer. As simple as that. Let's go to C very fast. We are given C is 3W minus Z cubed. 3W 3W minus Z cubed. 3W W minus Z cubed. Very important. Again, W is 5, so it is 3 multiplied by 5 minus, what is Z? In my case, let's check Z. Z is negative 1. So, minus negative 1 cubed. Take note of this. 3 times 5, it's 15, minus negative 1 cubed is negative 1. And therefore it is like this. Now this 15 plus 1, and this gives you 16. As simple as that. Let's do the other one. D 2x cubed, and x is 2. 2x cubed. D says it is 2x 2x, all this cubed. Remember, x is 2, so it is this same as 2 multiplied by 2, and this one cubed. And this simply means it is 4 cubed. And this gives you 4 times 4 times 4, which gives you 64. As simple as that. Let's do the other one. E. E says it's E is x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. Again. Now this one I will use a different pen because it's a bit this E, we are saying it is x squared plus y squared. This means it is 2 squared 2 squared plus negative 8 squared. Take note, see how I have placed my brackets. Otherwise, if you write it wrongly, you feed in the calculator the wrong thing and you get the wrong thing. So in this case it will be 4, you get 4 plus 64, and this, when you add these two, you get 68. Let's go to the other one. The other one is wx over z plus y. Wz over x this is f, is w x over z plus y. W is 5. W is 5, x times 2 over -1, all this, then plus y is -8. And this means it is 10 over -1, which is -10, minus 8. Take note of this. This is positive times negative, and you're getting negative, so you get -18. The other question, very fast. Given g, you are given it is 2 into x cubed minus z squared. Let me do it here. G, you are given it is 2 into x cubed minus what? Sorry, let me just confirm. Minus z squared. How do we solve this one? This means again it is 2 into x is 2, so 2 cubed minus z is -1 squared. Now please take note of this. -1 squared, this part alone, this one here, is the same as I write -1 times -1, and this gives you 1. So in other terms, now I can say now it is 2 into 2 cubed is 8, then minus 1, and this gives you 2 into 7, giving you 14. Let's quickly do the other one. And the other one is 25 minus 2 w squared. 25 minus 2w squared. 25 minus 2w squared. Yeah. Again, how do we solve this one? This means it is 25 minus 2 into, what is the value of w? 5 squared, like this. And this means 25 minus 2 into 25. And this means it's 25, sorry. It's 25. This means it is 25 minus 50, and the answer you get -25. As simple as this. Next, we quickly do the other question. You're given it is w into, I think this one I can do it over here, w into z, then I can do it over here. It's w, and this I, w plus z into 2x minus y. Very good. Again, we solve this one. W is 5 plus z is -1 into 2 multiplied by x. X is 2 then minus y is negative 8. Please take note of these signs, they are very important. And this continues to be is now 5 plus negative negative 1 into 4 plus 8, and this means it is 5 plus negative 1 into 12, and this means it is 5 plus, now negative 1 times 12, you get negative 12, like this. Positive positive times negative, we will have, it is 5 minus 12, and this gives you negative 7. That is the final answer. Very important. Please take note of this. Then doing the other question, we have 3z power 4 minus z power 7. 3z, let me write this one here. So it's 3z, and all this power 4 minus, sorry, I think I need to check. It is what? 3z, yes, power 4 minus z power 7, minus z power 7. Again, let's solve this one together. This is 3 z is negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, all this power 4, minus z, which is negative 1 actually, which is negative 1 power 7. Now take note of this. It's very important. I want to say something here. When the power here is an even number, okay, in this case it will be this is negative 3 power 4, then minus negative 1 power 7, and this you get negative 1. So negative 3 power 4 is the same as 3 power 4, which is 81. Then minus 1, and this gives you 82. This gives you 82 as the final answer. This gives you 82 as the final answer. Good. Let's do the other one. The other one is finished. That's the end of it. Okay, thank you. So you make sure you solve these kind of questions, because even in your test you will find questions of this kind. Well, the values will be different, but I'm expecting you to substitute them correctly, and that way you'll be able to score all the marks. Otherwise, I'm wishing you all the best. In case of any question, feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a blessed afternoon. Bye.